Welcome to Ideal Indian School. Class 4 Subject Work Experience. And I'm your teacher, Ms. Mumtaz Ali. Today we are going to see Lesson 3 Windows, Customizing and Personalizing. Learning Objectives. Windows 7. Students, you will be able to understand the features of GUI, that is Graphical User Interface Based Operating System, and personalization of Windows. You will be able to customize, decorate and configure Windows system. So let us start. Windows 7. Windows 7 is a GUI based operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. Windows 7 controls the overall activities of the computer as well as the operation of each and every part of it. So Windows, it recognizes input from an input device and coordinates the display of output on the monitor, and it instructs a printer how and when to print information and manages data and instructions in memory and information stored on a disk. One of the functions of Windows 7 is to start or restart the computer, and this process of starting and restarting a computer is known as booting. Starting Windows 7. When you turn on your computer, Windows 7 starts automatically and you see a welcome screen. You may be asked to enter the password. After a few seconds, you will get a screen, and this screen is known as desktop. Now, you have learned about components of Windows 7 screen in your previous class. Let us study some more about them. First, we are going to have a look on to Start menu and Taskbar. A Start menu is used to access programs, files and computer settings. On the left corner of the taskbar, you can see the Start button. By clicking on Start button, you can open Start menu. Its left part shows All Programs button and frequently used applications. Its right part shows shortcuts for locations on your computer and the shutdown button. Taskbar is a colored bar at the bottom of the Windows desktop extending from left to right. The left side of the taskbar has a Start button and the right side has a clock showing the current time. The taskbar may include many icons depending on the software installation in your computer. Once you start Windows 7, you can see a welcome screen, and after the welcome screen, you will get a screen as shown right now. It is desktop. Now we will see the components of Windows. First, taskbar. Taskbar, as I said, it is a colored bar at the bottom of the Windows and it is extending from left to right, and on the left corner of the taskbar you can see the Start button. So if you click, you can see the all programs list. Now let us see how to pin and unpin a program to the Start menu. So I'll just click Paint 3D, that is a software. See, pin to start. So if I click pin to start, it got pinned. Do you see this? How to unpin? Same way, right click, unpin from start. It went off. Now I'll show you the taskbar options. See, these are all the taskbar icons. Google Chrome icon, If you right click, you can unpin it from the taskbar. If you want, you can pin any program to the taskbar by right clicking it. So I'll show you. See, I have right clicked it, pin to start. So if I click, it will get pinned to the start button. Okay, I'm not doing it right now. See, next one, pin to taskbar. So if I click this pin to taskbar, you can see the icon displayed on the taskbar. Now I'm going to show you the application. See, I'm just taken PowerPoint. Now I will open one more application. Let's see, Paint. I just typed Paint application. I'm just clicking it. It got opened. Now see how to switch between applications using taskbar. See here, you can see the icon. So it is actually, the PowerPoint is behind the Paint window. So I'm just clicking the PowerPoint, it came in front. If I want the Paint back, see, I can just click here. This is how you are switching between the applications using taskbar. Now, how to show or how to view the desktop using arrow peek. See, in the right corner of the taskbar here, there is a button called as arrow peek. Here you can instantly minimize all your opened windows to remove them from your screen and view the desktop clearly. It is also called as show desktop button. So let us see. See, these all it is opened programs. I'm just clicking here. See, now I can see my desktop very clearly. Okay, but see here down, I'll click once again in the arrow peek. See, whatever it is opened, it can be viewed on the screen. Okay, now we have seen how to add or pin an application to the taskbar. Same procedure. In the start menu, you can locate the program. Which program you want, you can locate it. You can right click the application and then shortcut menu will appear in that pin to taskbar. So if you click pin to taskbar, that icon, it will appear on the taskbar. See here, if you want to remove it, you can just click unpin from taskbar. Now I'll show you how to adjust the volume. See here, volume icon is there. In this volume icon, see, it is 94. So I am making it 100%. If you drag it down, it will get reduced. The volume will get reduced. If you make it up, the volume will get increased. Okay kids, this is in the taskbar itself. Now, how to change the date and time? See here, already in the taskbar, the date and time is displayed. Click. You can see the clock, the calendar, and this is how it is displayed. The date and time is displayed. By default, the digital clock icon appears on the right side of the taskbar and displays the current date and time. Okay, you should make sure that the correct date and time are set in your computer. Windows uses this date and time to determine when you create or update your files. Now just we'll see here the date and time settings. See, system settings. I clicked here. The system settings got appeared. It is getting opened. It is taking its time. Let's see. Okay, see here, current date and time is displayed. Set the time automatically, set the time zone. See here, date and time. You can have regional formatting, you can add clocks from different time zone. See here, this is a time zone for Qatar, and you can synchronize your clock. If you don't want, see, set the time automatically, you can set it. Alright, okay. Now, how to personalize the window. Personalization window is used for customizing, decorating and configuring many aspects of your Windows screen. So you can change the desktop background. You can make it more beautiful. You can change the wallpaper. Okay, the background image, did you see here? I'll just press arrow peak button. Now see here, you can see the desktop background, isn't it? Yeah, this you can change. This desktop, it is called as, that background image that appears on the desktop is called as wallpaper. For that, you have to have a start button. You have to click control panel. So I'm just typing here control panel. Okay, see here, control panel appeared. And here, did you see appearance and personalization? You have to click appearance and personalization, and then see, there are so many options here. Taskbar and navigation. See how the taskbar has been navigated, etc. I mean, how the taskbar and the navigation options has been set here. Now background. See here, picture, the background picture. You can make it solid color if you want. See, background color you want, you can just click. I'll show you the arrow pick option. See, the color got appeared. Now coming back, I don't need solid color, I need a picture. So which picture you want? You want this picture? Click. You can have a look onto the picture now. Okay. Now you can have your own custom color. Now I'll just show you the colors. See here, Windows mode, if you want light or dark, default application mode, light or dark. These are all the options in the color scheme. And lock screen, how you want to see your lock screen. You can lock it with the password. See, my lock screen picture is this. Now next it is themes. You want to have some themes. See here, already preset themes are here. Windows 10 flowers. I'll just choose flowers. Okay, now see, the theme got applied. See, the theme got applied. Alright, now font, So you can use different fonts. Taskbar. Okay, and we'll go back to background. See here, it is the album which I used here for slideshow, so automatically the pictures will change after every 30 minutes. You can have shuffle if you want. Okay, you can choose a fit, how fill, fit, stretch, tile, center, span, etc. These are all the various options provided by Windows. Now I'll just right click on the screen. Did you see here personalize option? Here also you can have the personalize option. Okay, you can click that. Because I'm just closing. See, personalization option got opened. Alright, okay. Now we can just apply theme. If we have more photos, we can make it our own theme and you can apply it, no problem for that. And you can have gadgets. You can make the Windows desktop more useful by adding gadgets to it. A gadget means it's a small program such as clock or calculator that performs a specific function. You can also remove the gadgets. Only thing, you have to right click on the desktop, a menu will appear. In that, click on gadgets, the gadgets gallery will appear. So just like this, right click. Now teacher is not having any gadgets in this. If you right click, the gadgets option will get opened. Okay, and in order to remove, same way, keep the mouse pointer over the gadget and click on the remove button. It will get removed. Okay kids. So Windows 7 is a GUI based operating system, and start menu is used to access programs and computer settings. It is divided vertically into two parts. Taskbar is a colored bar at the bottom of the Windows desktop extending from left to right. The background image on our desktop is called wallpaper. A desktop theme is used to change the color scheme, font size and effects of desktop and other items present on it. A gadget is a small program such as a clock or calculator that performs a specific function. So these are all the important points what we have discussed in the previous video. Now kids, you have to do the exercise and an activity in page number 35, activity section. Here you have to open Windows and work with multiple apps by using the following steps. You can run Internet Explorer, the Windows Explorer and Paint, and then switch among the windows. You can use the shortcut Alt plus Tab, Alt button and Tab button in the keyboard. You can press together to switch to the next open window, and press Control button, Alt button and Tab button together to view the programs that are running, and press the Tab key. Hope you have enjoyed the video. Thank you. Stay safe and take care. Bye.